how to turn off or disable camera shutter sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to turn off and disable camera shutter sound, you will see. If you want to turn off, go back and click sound volume up button and volume down button. Click volume up button and click on this three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon, you will see decrease and turn off system sound. After turn off and decrease system sound, click on screen and click on camera app. You will see shutter sound is turned off. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn off or disable camera shutter sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.